To add a new purchase invoice, the user must navigate to the Procurement menu, click on the Transactions submenu, and select the Purchase option. This will display the homepage of the Invoice menu. To create a new purchase invoice transaction, click the Add button on the top right corner of the header section. When the Add button is clicked, a new form will appear. Select the business unit for which the invoice is to be created. The transaction reference will be automatically generated as configured in the Reference Formula option in the Settings menu. Next, click on the Supplier field and select the supplier by searching with an exact alphabet keyword so the system can fetch the relevant result. The user can enter any special reference for this purchase invoice transaction. The currency will be automatically fetched based on the selected business unit. Rates can also be changed during the transaction. The date field will be filled by the system with the current date, and it can be changed to previous dates if required. The user can edit the preferred rate field if needed. Otherwise, the rate configured in the settings for the base currency will be shown. The cost center can be selected from the drop-down menu, either by scrolling or filtering with appropriate characters. The payment method can be selected from the drop-down menu. By default, credit 15 days will be shown as configured in the system. Any notes can be entered in the Notes field. And attachments, if any, can be added by clicking the Browse option. In the Materials section, the user must select a material from the drop-down menu. When the user enters an alphabet, relevant materials will be displayed and can be selected. The Warehouse field will be automatically filled based on the materials selected. Enter the quantity, and the price will be fetched automatically as configured in the Materials section under the Stock menu. Then enter the discount percentage. The VAT percentage will be fetched automatically if the material is marked as taxable during material creation under the Stock menu. The VAT percentage will be based on the value configured in the business unit. If the material is not taxable, the user may enter VAT manually when needed. Any specific notes for the selected material can also be entered. To add multiple entries, click the green plus icon. The system will display a new empty row, where the user can again select the material and the warehouse details will be fetched automatically. The system allows adding new material dynamically by clicking the plus icon and choosing the Add Material option, which will open a new form to enter material details. An option is also provided to add a new warehouse. Clicking it will open a new form for entering warehouse details. The system supports bulk processing by uploading materials in Excel format. Click the displayed icon to download the template. Enter all material details, save the Excel file, and select Import from XLS to upload the data seamlessly. All values entered will be added in the Totals section: total quantity, total amount, total discount, and total VAT. The net amount for the transaction will be calculated and displayed automatically. After entering all the details, click Save. The transaction will be saved successfully and will appear on the home page. Initially, the transaction will be in draft status, which allows the user to make necessary changes. To view a purchase invoice transaction, click the View icon under the Action column to display the transaction details. To edit a purchase invoice transaction, click the Edit icon under the Action column. The Add Purchase Invoice screen will open in edit mode, where the user can make the necessary edits. After making changes, the user can save the updated data. A transaction can be edited only while it is in draft status. Once the status changes to confirmed, no updates can be made. A duplicate option is provided to reduce manual effort. The system will create a duplicate entry of the purchase invoice with pre-filled data. which the user can modify and save as a new entry. If the user attempts to print the transaction while it is still in draft status, an error message will appear. To print a transaction, the user must first confirm it by clicking Confirm under the Action column. Once confirmed, click the Print option to open the Purchase Invoice printout in a new tab. The Delete option will be disabled once the purchase invoice is in confirmed status. To delete a purchase invoice transaction, ensure that the transaction is in draft status and click the Delete icon under the Action column. A confirmation message will appear, and upon approval, the transaction will be deleted.